Alright. So, if you've seen the DJI Osmo 360 leaks, and yeah, it's pretty much everything about that camera is already out there. Maybe you're rethinking of picking it up. Or maybe you're still unsure. Either way, hear me out, because GoPro's got something new in the works. If you're not in a rush, waiting might be the smarter move. Yeah, I'm talking about a brand new 360 cam from GoPro. And rumor has it, we could see this thing drop as early as September 2025, though. Let's be real, nothing's confirmed yet. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Almost a month ago, GoPro randomly teased the next Max-branded 360 camera. It kind of caught everyone off guard, especially since the Max 2025 came out less than 6 months ago. What's weird is, after that teaser, total silence, follow-up, nothing, but you know how it goes. We don't wait around for official announcements. Someone already listed a GoPro Max 2 prototype on a Chinese marketplace, and yep, it looks legit. The screen's missing, but it powers on, super common for internal test units. The design matches GoPro's teaser image almost perfectly. So, let's talk about what we can see. Dual fisheye lenses just like the original Max, but no dual 1-inch sensors here, at least from what we can tell. Still, this looks like a solid upgrade, possibly a larger sensor setup than before. Oh, and those massive vent grooves around the lenses. That's a big clue. GoPro is likely packing in more power and needs better cooling to handle it. Inside, the layout looks a lot cleaner. Like GoPro is really trying to refine this thing for creators. You can see metallic shielding around the processor and sensor areas, which probably helps block out interference and manage heat more efficiently. And with those large vents up front, it's clear they're taking thermal performance seriously this time around. You've got a side-mounted USB-C, microSD slot, and yep, a removable battery. Also, folding fingers are back, just like on the Hero 13 Black. Now, the missing screen. Don't read too much into that. It's probably just an engineering test unit, and GoPro is just validating the internals before final production. Or maybe they're even trying out a screenless variant, who knows? Either way, it's coming. So, if you're thinking of diving into 360 cameras, maybe wait just a bit. And hey, if you want all the latest updates the second they drop, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button, and I've got you covered.